Hi, I'm Bill Ritchie, and I'm going to try teaching online using my camera setup here with Camtasia. I got the idea when I was watching Salman Khan's Khan Academy videos and how he was able to teach mathematics and science. But I'm interested in teaching art. But I need to start at the beginning because I've invented what is a kind of a brain that goes in an etching press, because etching is my specialty and that's what I teach. You'll see here in this cartoon what you probably remember from science fiction movies is the brain, the professor's, the mad scientist's brain, and how they've pickled it in a jar of some sort, and they've run electrodes from the brain to certain key points on both the left side and the right side of the brain and wired it. And now you see over here somebody is actually looking at what's on the brain using her mobile device in this case. So that's the kind of idea, the icon or the archetype for what I call the press ghost, which is a little flash memory drive that goes in the top of my etching presses I make, called the Halfwood Press. In my case, what I know about printmaking, actually you could fit on a little microchip. This one is actually 4 gigabytes, which is quite a lot of information, but the trouble is it's all text. It's all words and pictures, maybe videos, but it's not interactive. So what I want to make is an interactive situation. So it'd be as if you could actually talk to that brain and interact with that brain, but even better yet, make prints with that brain somehow. Now we live in an age of digital communication and it's global, so we have to get around the problem of the fact that it's not practical to push pieces of paper through your computer to someone else's place, and it's not practical to try to take someone by the hand and actually show them that they're maybe wiping their plate too hard, or they're turning the press too fast, or they've got too much pressure, or all those things are physical and they don't fit in the digital world. So what I'm coming at is some system of interaction, but an interaction that doesn't even require my presence, because let's face it, folks, I won't be around forever, and neither will any teachers. So we need a system so that we could interact with teachers in both a digital or intellectual way, I want to call it that, and a physical way. And my answer to that is a kind of a global network or social network, so printmakers can interact with each other even though they're all over the world. This interaction might take the form of a kind of a social network connected to but not necessarily required by owning a Halfwood Press. So that's the introduction to my idea of teaching online, and I'm going to stop there because next I want to talk about teaching college, my background, and that'll give you some idea about where I'm coming from. Thanks for watching. This is Bill Ritchie. I'm signing off now.